People are saying that AI is going to replace bug hunters, that security will become fully automated, and that manual hacking won't matter anymore. And honestly, if you just look at how fast AI is improving, it almost feels true. AI can scan thousands of endpoints in seconds. It can analyze code faster than any human. It can even generate payloads and suggest vulnerabilities. So the question is, are bug hunters actually becoming obsolete? Or are we misunderstanding what bug hunting really is? Because if bug hunting is just about finding known vulnerabilities, then yes, AI is already better than most people. It's faster, it's consistent, and it doesn't get tired. But bug hunting was never just about finding known vulnerabilities. It's about finding the things that were never expected to exist. Let me explain what I mean. Most automated systems, including AI, work on patterns. They are trained on existing data, known vulnerabilities, known behaviors. So when they analyze a system, they're basically asking, does this look similar to something I've seen before? And that works really well for common issues. Things like basic misconfigurations, simple injection points, exposed endpoints, these are pattern-based problems. And AI can detect them very efficiently. In fact, in many cases, AI will outperform average bug hunters in finding these types of bugs. But here's the problem. The most dangerous vulnerabilities in real-world systems don't follow patterns. They exist in logic. They exist in assumptions. They exist in the way different parts of a system interact with each other. And that's where things get interesting. Imagine a simple scenario. You have a website with a login system, a password reset feature, and an account settings page. Everything looks secure. Input validation is in place. Authentication checks are working. There are no obvious injection points. And AI scans this system and concludes no vulnerabilities found. But a human bug hunter looks at it differently. Instead of asking, is this secure? They ask, how can this be abused? What if I request a password reset but intercept the process midway? What if I reuse a token in a way it wasn't intended? What if I change the sequence of actions? Now suddenly, the system behaves in a way the developer never expected. And that's the key difference. AI analyzes what is there. A bug hunter questions what shouldn't be possible. And that shift in thinking is what makes bug hunting powerful. Another important thing that AI struggles with is context. Let's say there's an API endpoint that returns user data. On its own, it might look perfectly fine. But what if that same endpoint behaves differently depending on how it's accessed? Or what if combining it with another feature exposes sensitive information? These are not isolated problems. They are contextual problems. And context is extremely hard to fully capture with automation. Because context is not just code. It's how the system is used. It's how different features interact. It's how users behave. And most importantly, it's how attackers think. Now let's talk about something even more critical. Chaining. In real-world bug hunting, a single vulnerability is often not enough. A small issue by itself might seem harmless. But when combined with another small issue, it can lead to a massive impact. For example, a minor information leak combined with a weak authorization check can lead to full account takeover. A simple misconfiguration combined with a logic flaw can expose internal systems. AI might identify individual issues. But connecting those issues, understanding how they amplify each other, that requires a completely different level of thinking. It requires creativity. And creativity is not something you can easily automate. Because creativity comes from breaking assumptions. And breaking assumptions is not something AI is designed to do. AI is designed to follow patterns, not to question them. Now here's something even deeper. Security is not just a technical problem. It's a human problem. Developers build systems based on trust. They assume users will follow certain flows. They assume inputs will behave in expected ways. But attackers don't follow those assumptions. They do the unexpected. They look for edge cases. They look for unusual behaviors. They look for the one thing that no one thought about. And that's where vulnerabilities are born. AI can analyze code, but it doesn't truly understand human mistakes, design flaws, or unintended workflows the way a human attacker does. Now, does that mean AI has no place in bug hunting? Absolutely not. AI is one of the most powerful tools we have right now. It can speed up reconnaissance. It can help analyze large amounts of data. It can suggest possible attack vectors. It can even assist in writing payloads. But the key word here is assist. AI is not replacing bug hunters. It's augmenting them. Just like tools in the past made bug hunting more efficient, AI is doing the same thing, but at a much larger scale. And this brings us to an important point. The role of a bug hunter is evolving. In the past, finding basic vulnerabilities might have been enough. But today, and especially in the future, the real value will come from deeper thinking, from understanding systems at a fundamental level, from being able to see connections that others don't, from being able to think like an attacker, not just act like a scanner. And here's the uncomfortable truth that most people don't want to hear. AI will not replace bug hunters, but it will replace lazy bug hunters. The ones who rely only on tools, the ones who follow checklists without understanding why, the ones who don't go beyond surface level testing. They will struggle because AI is already better at doing repetitive pattern-based tasks. But the ones who think differently, the ones who question everything, the ones who understand how systems are actually built, the ones who can connect small dots into big impact, they will become more valuable than ever. Because in a world where AI handles the obvious, humans will be needed for the invisible. So the future is not human versus AI. It's human with AI versus everyone else. And the real skill that will matter is not how many tools you use, not how fast you scan, but how you think. Because at the end of the day, bug hunting is not about finding bugs. It's about understanding systems deeply enough to break them in ways no one expected. And that is something AI still struggles with, at least for now.